Although scientific methods like ultrasound and CVS diagnostic methods are used by people to determine the sex of the baby, but many people also like some home methods for determining the sex of baby. The scientific methods are considered to be more accurate, and the home ways for determining sex are considered to be a myth. Some of the home techniques for determining the sex are discussed below. Home methods for finding sex: home blood tests. These blood tests are used for determining the gender of the fetus. The manufacturers of this home blood test for determining the sex of baby claim this method to as efficient as ultrasounds. Many of these manufacturers offer reimbursement on this test if the gender of the child turns out to be different. However, these tests cannot be trusted as there is no scientific evidence to prove these tests right. Therefore, these tests are considered unreliable. Finding sex of baby: sex determination by the help of the wedding ring. This is a method used by couples to determine the sex of the infant by the use of their wedding ring. Although it's a very unscientific way of determining sex of the baby, but still it's a fun way of doing the same. The wedding ring is dangled in front of the stomach of the pregnant woman. In the case of a girl, the ring swirls in a circular motion, and in the case of a boy, it swings to side of the mother's stomach. The diet method: according to this method, the woman who consumes more calcium and magnesium in her diet, dairy products, spinach, etc., is likely to have girl. The presence of mineral salts like calcium, magnesium, sodium and potassium affects how the egg is going to fertilize. If the mother eats more of sodium and potassium in her food, meat, soybean, pasta, then the mother is likely to have a boy. However, excess of salt in food is not recommended. Natural ways in human body: there are two types of sperms. The male sperms are combination of Y chromosome, and the female ones are XX chromosome. The male sperms believed to be weak and the female ones stronger. To increase the chance of conceiving a girl, one needs to have sexual intercourse 2 to 3 days prior to the ovulation, as the female sperms are more in power. To conceive a boy, sexual intercourse should be performed as near to the ovulation as possible.